Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can install AdBlock on this device. Start by opening Play Store, then type Opera Mini and download this app. Now open it. Click Continue and decide if you wanna tap Don't Allow or Allow and Continue. I will go with Don't Allow. AdBlock is now on. You can check it out by going into any website, for example this one. As you can see, you blocked your first ads. If you wanna disable AdBlock, tap at the bottom right corner, choose Ad Blocking, and now it's off. You can turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!